Today our topic is computer memory. In this chapter we will discuss regarding the various concepts and various types of the memory. So in concern of the memory, the first topic is regarding what is memory. Memory is our ability to store, retain and recall information and past experiences in the human brain. Now again, what is computer memory? A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. Computer memory is the storage space in the computer where data is to be processed. So this is computer memory. Earlier we discussed about what is memory in concern of the human beings. Now, what are the units of the memory? Just as solids are measured in grams or kilograms and liquids are measured in liters or milliliters. In the same way, the computer memory can be measured in bits or bytes. So, a computer processes and stores data and instruction in the form of two digits 0 and 1. These digits are called binary digits or bits. A bit is the smallest unit of information that a computer can process and store. A group of 4 bits is known as nibble. A group of 8 bits is called byte. Now further there is table that shows the units of memory and their equivalents. So you all please look carefully on the table and try to learn the units. Just say 1 byte is equal to 1 character, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes and so on. Now further the topic is the types of computer memory. The computer memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. What is primary memory? Primary memory is also known as the working memory or the main memory of the computer. A computer cannot run without primary memory. It is of two types, volatile and non-volatile. When the computer power is turned off, volatile memory loses its content. It is called volatile memory. It is the temporary memory in the computer. The other one is non-volatile memory. When the computer power is turned off, non-volatile memory doesn't loses its content. It is permanent memory. Now what are the major type of primary memory? Major type of primary memory of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is also called the main memory. It is the computer's short-term memory. It is also called volatile memory. ROM is also called the main memory. It is non-volatile memory. The data on ROM cannot be modified. It can only be read. Its content are not lost when computer is switched off. These are the points regarding the read-only memory. Another concept is cache memory. Cache is the temporary storage area for instructions and data that increases the CPU speed as it stores the frequently used instructions and data. The other type of memory is secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store the data for a long time. This memory is permanent in nature, so it is also known as volatile memory or backup memory. The main example of the secondary memory is hard disk. So thank you all and go through the chapter carefully and try to understand the concept. Thank you.